Good morning, YouTube. What's happening? And I don't think I'm gonna be posting this in the morning. So it's shiny on me. Alright, so guys, before we start the video off though, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. And definitely leave a like if you like the video. Alright, flip this on. And there she goes. Alright, so got the bigger half out. And all the two small pieces. Go ahead and put it in the box. This baby don't need messes around here. Yeah, there she go. So, right now, two screws here, two screws there in the back, and a screw way right here, right here, and a screw way on the other side. So I'm gonna take out the other little wings, but they also come with a bunch of bolts. I'm a little bit confused here. Looks like I really don't have to add any like primer or anything. It looks like this is one of those things that you could just paint right over. Why is my dog in the way? I'm trying to move on the side. Look at that. Looks like I'm gonna need at least one can of spray paint, but they have bolts on the side. And something tells me I'm gonna have to drill holes inside of my Mustang again. Man, don't I hate doing that, especially for the body part. Man, that's kind of, you know, I don't know. It's a little odd to me. What is she doing, bro? All right, so just finished scrubbing these down. I'm gonna hit this with the water, but just gonna give you another peek at the Mustang real quick. And let you guys look at the spoiler. Yes, my clear coat is going away, but I'm gonna fix that one day. And my bumper too, but I will. You can take a look at this for right now. And now we just got the spoiler all dried up. Got the little pieces right there dried up too. But we're gonna go ahead and safety first. Slide that on real quick.
Yeah.
Safety first.
Heading that way in probably like the next hour.
Yeah, bro. I think they'll have like 2 or 3 packs of soldering iron over there. Alright, so like I said, safety first. Now save this for a good little minute. Ain't gonna lie, boy. Oh, man, I gotta be wearing this wrong. I gotta be. I don't know. Do like 3 coats on that spoiler, and yeah, you just gotta have to see me, bro. Alright, bro, we gonna dive straight in it. Alright, where do I want to start? I don't even know. The only bad thing about spraying an already black spoiler, or just anything already like prime black, you kind of lose where you start painting. But I like to at least start on the edges. Hey man, what's happening?
You know Chris cleaned that shit up?
Oh, he did?
Yeah.
You got my buddy online. Check him out, y'all. What is he doing? It's Halloween. You got at least to do one more coat. What up, brother? Quick question. Does that battery have warranty? Probably not. I got one more coat to do with this one, one more coat to do with that one over there. And it should be straight. And I'm gonna hit the clear coat later. Hey, look at this. Yeah. I don't know why on this side it has like trash. Like they got trash stuck inside of it. Man, I hate that.
A few moments later. Moments later. Moments later. More moments later. 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 In the void.
Alright. Checking my boy DVA Creations, man. Oh, it ain't been on in a minute, bro. See how long he ain't been on, man. I've been waiting on this video he's been saying he was gonna post. Man, where's the spoiler video God dog, he ain't posted a video in a month. Hey, you trying to get the subscribers?
Man, what has he been doing, man? That boy ain't posted in about a month. I mean, he just posted, but God dog, how you gonna get the subscribers like that? Man, I know he got a kid, a house, you know, a dog. He got bills to ship. I know he got a job too. But that ain't busy. What is he doing? That ain't busy at all. But you had to check on that. Yeah, you had to check on that. Thank you. Where's DVA Creations at, man? All right, yeah, cause man, I need to check on this fool. You feel me? Check it. Oh man, bro, what time is it? Yeah, 10:48. Yeah, I guess, man, it's been a minute. Man, bruh, where you been, bruh? What are you doing? What you mean? Man, bro, like, you're supposed to be making a spoiler video, bro. You ain't posted a video in like a whole month. Where you been? Dang, really? God, dog, man, I forgot I was supposed to be making a video. Yeah, exactly. You supposed to be making a video, bro. So, let's hop to it, bro. Come on, let's go. You ain't busy. You ain't got nothing better else to do. Man, I've been busy, bro. Like, you know, kids, you know. Bro, the kids, the girl, the house. What do you mean? That's not busy. You ain't doing nothing. You got a job. You ain't doing nothing. Make the video. Man, bro, I know I was supposed to be making a video. Man, I just got a lot of stuff to do. Boy, if you don't... Oh, man, what? Yeah, now what, bro? Get to those videos, man. You tripping. Get to those videos, man. Man, bro, why you just slap me, bro? What are you doing? You tripping, bro. Get to those videos, man. I don't hear nothing. Oh. All right, man, look. I'm gonna make the video, man, all right? Yeah, bro. Yeah, you better get to those videos, man. Come on, man. Tripping. Yeah, you better. Tripping, bro. All that slacking. Want some subscribers. You can't get none. We putting the spoiler on right now, and I have to drill at least 3 holes right here. 3 holes right here. I'm gonna do it from the outside, but I have to take down these panels on the side. I had to get my sub up out the way. I have the bigger part of the spoiler on right now, and it's looking like it's a little something, you know. It was kind of hard. This is the eBay spoiler, by the way. It was like for $150, and putting the screws in were, I don't know, it was a little tough. They went in smooth, but once you start trying to screw them in, like, you know, all the way, it was like super tough. So right now, I'm just gonna try and get the placement for this. I'm probably gonna put some screws at the bottom of this, like 1, 2, 3. Then once I put those screws in, I'm gonna put putty on top of it while I place it kind of right here, and hopefully you know, that'll be good. It's a little off, the placement of it. Let me see. Even putting it down doesn't help, so I don't know. I guess it's gonna be a little off regardless. Oh wait, I'm tripping. Yeah, I'm tripping. Something like that. So just kind of need to get it aligned like this, and that'll be good. All right, so this finished putting on this side of the spoiler. I'm gonna sit it down just to see how flush it is with it, and it's actually touching a little bit. I might have to scoot it over to the side. Ooh, look at that. All right, so went ahead and adjusted this a little bit. I have it flush with it. I don't know what happened. It just, I really don't know what happened. But I got it good now, so put this down, and look at that. That's pretty good. It's pretty good. I like that. The trunk is not shut all the way, so it's not going to be lined up correctly. But yeah, I like that. So what I did to kind of what should I say? What we did to do that. If I can find the other spoiler. Hey, you got the other screws, bro?
Yeah, I got it.
So these three, we used whiteout on it, and we did a test fit first. Then after that, we put a whiteout, and then we put the screws. When we put the screws, then we put the whiteout on the bottom of that. And we test fit it. This is if you don't have the template, by the way, because we don't have it. But we lined it up flush with it. Oh wait, they got screws in here too. Hold on. Got the screws out, and it was kind of test fit, like flush right there. You can see how flush that is. And as long as you have it flush right here, you'll be good. So, and we kind of marked our fingers with that. Hopefully I can get something else to do that, but it's basically how it was, and that's how it's gonna sit, just like that. So maybe we could go through the process right now of doing that. All right, so homie's applying the whiteout. And I got my little square box right here, so that way when I put it on there, it's gonna line up. Here, hold this. All right, so like I said, it could be right here. I'll put this right here, and I'm gonna try to get this straight as possible. It's gonna be something like this. Something like this. Okay, I think that's gotta be it. Oof. Oh, you can start recording it, bro. Alright people, man, it's almost the end of the video. Hope you liked the video. Like, share, and subscribe. I'm gonna show you guys what the spoiler looks like in just a few. But by the way, like I said, make sure you like the video if you like the video. Liking the video helps to basically show, you know, basically, okay, so if you like another person's video, I might see it or somebody else might see it, and it'll be like a domino effect. Like I said, you know, you just keep liking videos, and it kind of recommends videos to people once you like it. Also, subscribing is just to show you guys, you know, how like, oh, DVA just posted a video, stuff like that. We're gonna go ahead and check out the spoiler on the stain real quick. I'm gonna give you guys a brief rundown about that. Damn, that teleportation stuff, man, is kind of, you know, it's tough, man. It's tough to do that. I know y'all wondering how you do that, but man, you just gotta be like me to do it. So guys, that is the spoiler right here, man. This thing looks, what you think it look like, man, in the back? Yeah, looks pretty good. Pretty good. Like it. Yeah, that's what I think. Honestly, it wasn't too difficult to put the spoiler on there. I had to make a few cuts on there on the inside. This part right here is not lined up like totally correctly. This side is like they're lined up pretty flush, honestly. It's just that one. You can see how it's rose up a little bit. But overall, I think it looks good on this thing, man. Maybe take a little picture real quick. Are you trying to be in that picture? Hey, it's up to you, bro. And yeah, that's it. Anyways, guys, hope you liked the video. Like, share, and subscribe, and stay tuned to the next video. Next video, I'm probably gonna be taking the hood off because I have hood vents for my factory hood, and I want the hood vents to get the 2011 to 13, no, to 14 type style. But anyways, deuces.